Hey everybody, thanks for coming to dance with me. I'm Laura, and today we're going to cover the Texas Tommy. Pew, 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 pew. Chris is in the other room and he's like, those sound like lasers. In this video, you'll learn the basic step, how to connect the Texas Tommy to other moves, and we'll also show a few variations. The Texas Tommy builds on the swing out, so if you're unfamiliar with that, it's linked in the description, go check it out. Also, the Texas Tommy is a basic move, so it can be led a bunch of different ways. So in this video, we'll go over how Brooks and I do it. But first, thank you people of Patreon for helping to support me and making this video free for everybody in the world, including people like you. I really appreciate what you do, and if you want to join them, it's a voluntary subscription. The link is in the description. The Texas Tommy has a long and super interesting history that dovetails with Lindy Hop philosophy and all kinds of interesting things. I made a little video on it. If you want to learn about it, which I hope you do, linked in the description. All right, let's get into the Texas Tommy Lindy Hop move, starting with the geography. Now, geography is the shape of the move, but without the rhythm, personality, or anything else that makes it look like a dance. Here are some questions to ask yourself. Where do we start? Where do we end the move? You can see we start, end, and have a similar trajectory as we do in the swing out. The Texas Tommy is just a fancy variation of the swing out. What hand does Brooks put behind my back? Where are we when the hand is switched? Notice my palm is facing out as Brooks guides it behind my back, because bone structure. Important safety note, put the hand where it's comfortable, aka not too high, not too far around. We're all people with similar skeletons. You know when this turns into a wrestling move. Now we'll show it with rhythm from a few different angles. We'll start with the swing out, then the Texas Tommy, then we'll go into a swing out again so you can see how they loop together. That might help. When does Brooks move my hand? It's late, count 5-ish, after he's already led the out of the swing out. When can you tell if the move is going to be a swing out or a Texas Tommy? Not yet, not yet. There it is, right before the pass on 5. It might be hard to see from the video, but Brooks isn't trying to pass the hand around my body. He's trying to send it down the line, reinforcing that linear swing out shape. Check out my trajectory. I spin down the line, so the Texas Tommy is basically the same shape as a normal swing out. Something that helps me do this is moving my footwork down the line until I feel him catch me on the triple step. This also helps with my rotation. Notice I'm not focused on looking for Brooks at the end of the spin, and don't finish my turn until midway through the triple step, or around and 8. What if you want to do something in crosshand from the Texas Tommy, like say, for example, the mini dip? Sometimes the hand can get, like the technical term is, wonky. Let's check that out. Isolating that moment, Brooks puts his hand loosely on my hand. As I unwind, neither of us grab the other person's hand. We both just let his hand circle over the top of my hand. Presto. And now let's see the Texas Tommy transition into a 6-count pass using that cross hand grip from a few different angles with rhythm. We're going to do a swing out, then a Texas Tommy, then the 6-count pass. Tommy is a basic move, there are so many different variations that you can do off of it. And here are just a few common examples. Now play with it on your own and see what you can do. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. If you did, click like, subscribe, comment, do all that YouTube algorithm stuff. If you like the music, it's from the Brooks Prumo Orchestra, and you can buy it from a link in the description. And half of the money that I get from this YouTube channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art, because Lindy Hop is a Black dance, and the best way to learn how to do that dance is by dancing it.